guys, get ready with me. Let me show you how I cook my porridge yam. First of all, I have to bring my yam and cut the yam. Remove the back, cut it into pieces. You can see how I am doing it. It will take you a few minutes to achieve that, okay? So while you are cutting it, try to cut it small size. Anyway, cut it based on your own size. Some people like to cut it small, while others like to cut it at least a little bit big. Not too small, not too big. While I was cutting it, I remember that I have not danced today, so I dance small. You can see how I dance small, okay? So after cutting the yam, hi my dear, yam is very costly in this area. I'm telling you, to tell you that this small yam that you see here is 5,500. You will not believe it. 5,500 is because that person want to do Christmas for me, according to him. So after cutting my yam, I have to the vegetable. I have to remove the leaf from the stem. After which it's like my voice note is faster than my actions. So guys, all the same, it's still okay. So I'm still cutting yam. You can see that because I have to cut enough for the family. Now I'm done with cutting yam. Now I have to remove the back of the onions. Hey, do you know that I'm even complaining of yam? Onions, I don't know how your area is, but to tell you the truth, onions is very costly this year. I don't know, maybe some people might not even cook with onions this time. I'm telling you, because it's too costly. This small onions you are seeing here is 2,000 naira. 2,000 is even better, because last week, if you see the one I bought, it was just 2,000, but this time is around 6, even though the sizes are not too big. Then this small vegetable you see here, this small vegetable is 700 naira. This thing you see here, wow, we never enter Christmas season very well, and it is like this. So after that, I have to bring out my mortar, wash it and keep it aside, wash my pot, keep my pot aside, then wash the yam. Now I have to wash the yam. After washing the yam, I have to wash the vegetable. But while washing the vegetable, don't forget to add salt, because one reason you must add salt is because it will help to kill all those small germs that you cannot see with your naked eyes, unless you want to go and use microscope and start viewing them. After washing my vegetable, I have to cut it. I have to slice my vegetable. As I slice, after slicing, then the next thing I did was to slice my onion. So after slicing onion, what again? It took me a few minutes to slice it, okay? After slicing onion, then I set everything aside, and my dry fish, I have to add small warm water to wash it. After washing, I use cold water to wash my onion, dry fish. Then it is time to cook. You can see I have put my yam on the fire and I added my onions. After adding my onions, I added my knorr cube. After adding my knorr, I added my salt. After salt, what again? I added my crayfish and pepper that I have pounded and set aside for this. So after that, I have to add my fish, but before that I have to remove the bone and the fish, because you know that my children will eat too, so you don't have to put everything there. So I removed the bone and pieces, the dry fish, and added it. Then I added my red oil, after which I added my water. After that, I have to turn it, make sure that everything is settled. Then I cover and allow it to boil like 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, here I am adding my vegetable. So at this point, the food is getting ready. After adding my vegetable, I have to turn it, So, but after turning it, you don't have to leave it for a very long time on fire, because the vegetable, you don't need to be cooking it as if you are cooking meat or anything. You just allow it to allow heat to touch it a little bit. After turning it, the next thing is to bring it down. If you like this recipe, please share this video. And thank you for watching. It's not easy to watch up to this extent, and if you watch up to this stage, it simply means that you're liking my recipe. Please do well to give my video a thumbs up, like my video, comment and share, and tell me where you're watching me from, you know, and please share my video. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're watching me from Facebook, follow my page for more and share this video. I really want to appreciate all of you for always being part of this channel, because you guys are the reason why I am still doing this, because if you're not watching, I will not be doing it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support for me. Bye. Love you. See you next time.